How to search for trademark conflicts using the United States Patent and Trademark Office's Trademark Electronic Search System, or TESS. First, let's start off by going to this website where you will arrive at a page that looks like this. Once there, click this button. Welcome to TESS. Here you are provided 3 options with which to search for conflicting trademarks. Let's go over the differences. The basic search should be used only using the words of the mark, the serial number or registration number, or the owner name. This search is better when you are looking for a specific trademark that already exists. This is a limited option and not recommended for a complete picture of any conflicts. The word and/or design mark search feature is good for starting off getting familiar with TESS. It provides a slightly more advanced option over the basic search. This option will provide a better idea of any conflicts. For purposes of this video, we will go over the word and/or design mark search freeform feature. This is the most efficient search option. It takes some practice, so we will go over some steps to use this search and provide some searching examples. Okay, let's go back to this web page to get started. Click on this link. You will be directed to this screen. First, you will need to select the search fields, which means the pieces of information to help you categorize your mark. You have many options as you see here. Each field is given an identifying 2-letter name. For example, a main search field is the mark itself, or MN. As you familiarize yourself with these fields, you will be able to narrow your search results. Here are some more commonly used fields to use for your searches. We will use some of these terms in the example searches shown in this video. There are additional guides provided by the USPTO that will help you decide which international class in which to file and how to determine the design code if you are filing for a logo mark. Now let's choose a search term and use the fields discussed. See here, we use the search term marquee, immediately followed by the fields. You can use one or more fields between the 2 brackets. You'll recall basic index searches the English words used in all marks, and translation index uses the English translations of foreign words or characters in all marks. You can stop your search here to see how many results you receive. Click on Submit Query to find out. If your search returns too many results, it may be best to add additional search terms. Let's refine the search by adding additional search terms and fields. Here, we've added an owner name and directed the search engine to show marks that are only active or live at the USPTO. Click on Submit Query to show the narrowed results. Let's try another search. Here we use the mark Apple and use the field mark not punctuated. We add the international class for computers and live for searching only active marks. It is recommended that you try multiple variations of the search terms to ascertain a real report of what conflicts may or may not exist for the marks you wish to file. You can use truncation techniques to refine your search results. Using a question mark will find all marks that match your search terms with any character in the place of the question mark. Using a $sign will find all marks that either match your search term exactly or with additional characters in place of the $sign. Use an asterisk to find all marks that either match your search term exactly or match your search term with additional characters in place of the asterisk. Use A, C, V, or D in curly brackets to find marks that match your search term but with different type of characters. Use the curly brackets in your search to find a specific number of characters by including a range of numbers inside the brackets. You can also use curly brackets in your search to find specific characters, which you will enter in quotation marks inside the brackets. This video does not cover all of the search features included in the freeform search. Review the guidelines for conducting the free-form searches provided at the USPTO. It takes quite a bit of practice to get comfortable with these types of searches. Having a basic understanding of the trademark process will help your searches. Consult with an experienced trademark professional to assist you through the entire trademark process for best chances to achieve registration of your marks.